Welcome back to the Grand Solar Minimum channel. Today is Friday, December 20th, 2019. Hope everyone had a great work week. The weekend is upon us and we are almost at our Christmas holiday as well. All right, let's take a look at our solar wind speed sitting at 421.8 kilometers per second with a density of 1.5. Checking out our sun, we are blank once again. That is now 37 days in a row without sunspots. 274 days in 2019 without sunspots. Our TCI is up a little bit to 3.27 from 3.17. KP indices have also calmed down to 0 with a 24-hour max of 2. Right now we are exiting a solar wind stream that began yesterday. Solar wind speeds reached over 500 kilometers per second, but have now started to level down. We are at 421.8 kilometers per second. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. Jump over here to the UK. That's not the UK. Here's a current look right now at our radar. United Kingdom getting some rain. London, England, definitely seeing your share of heavy rain today. Scotland, northern parts, northwestern parts. Iceland, the only area that is not looking at any kind of major precipitation at this time. Parts of France also, Germany also, and then we have the Alps getting more snow. Spain, you're drenched right now with tons of rain. Portugal is getting blitzed right now. Barcelona, you're getting out of some showers as we speak. But let's go ahead and take a look at the UK weather forecast. Rain across eastern England and northern Ireland and western Scotland as well will slowly clear, followed by some sunny periods for the most part of the day. In the southern and western Britain, we'll see some sunshine and heavy showers, perhaps with a rumble of thunder. Tonight, showers across central and southern Britain and far north of Scotland. Northern Ireland and much of northern and eastern England are likely to stay dry with some fog patches later. And then on Saturday, early fog patches soon clearing, bright or sunny spells and scattered showers for most. However, a band of more persistent rain is expected across England during the afternoon. And then we are looking at the outlook here from Sunday to Tuesday. Rain clears early Sunday. Sunshine and showers after that with the rest of Sunday into Monday. Further rain of central and southern areas in Tuesday with showers elsewhere, becoming colder. And I say that, I was on Twitter this morning before I jumped on here on our show, and I saw that David Birch also showed us a run that we could see some snow showers in the UK on Christmas Day. So we'll keep our eyes on that, as this forecast here prepares us that we will see colder temperatures in the near future. Let's take a look at our flood maps right now. 187 flood alerts, 59 flood warnings, and thankfully only 0 severe flood warnings at this time. But check out how many alerts we have in the UK. That's quite a bit. And believe it or not, 60 are no longer in force in the last 24 hours. So lots of flooding going on over there. And of course, looking at our GF or our Euro map, this is Euro right here. Let's take it out to Christmas. I just ran this actually earlier this morning. This is a 12 Zeke with its colder temperatures. There's the moisture that the 12Z is showing and beyond. So we'll keep our eyes on this. Right now it looks like rain, but other maps have shown some snow possible for Christmas Day out here in the UK. All right, let's jump over here to the United States real quick, give you a quick update. We are expecting some heavy rain from Saturday through Monday. Just give you guys a heads up. We are talking about 8 inches can occur along the I-10, south of the I-10. Gathering clouds and showers over the Gulf of Mexico, Florida, and Texas late this week is a sign of budding rainstorm forecast to drench the deep south in the days leading up to Christmas. The developing weather system will hit at a time when millions of travelers are venturing out for their holiday destinations. From Saturday to Monday, enough rain can fall with the storm system to cause urban flooding and poor visibility, both of which are hazards for motorists. Excess water on the roads during downpours can increase emergency stopping, and also chance of vehicles hydroplaning. The combination of heavy rain, fog, and low cloud ceiling can slow the arrival and departure of flights at airports in the regions including around Atlanta, New Orleans, and Orlando. Gusty winds will also accompany the storm after it begins to strengthen. The combination of wind and rain can make especially miserable weather conditions for those heading out and doing some last-minute shopping. People heading to Florida beaches or themed resorts should be prepared for downpours from Saturday afternoon through Sunday, when the bulk of the rain is forecasted. General 2 to 4 inches of rain is expected along the central and eastern Gulf Coast and southern Atlantic coast as far as north as Interstate 20 corridor. The AccuWeather local storm max of 8 inches can occur anywhere along and south of the I-10. And let's take a look at our current radar right now. Some rain showers across parts of Florida right now as we speak. Southern Miami also experiencing some rain, some light rain across the Texas border here. Some snow showers in Buffalo. Those are lake effect most likely. We got to go all the way out to the northwest, out here to Spokane with some rain showers. Seattle, nothing but rain. Looking like atmospheric river here. This rain is just nonstop flowing in, not going anywhere, not letting up, just over and over and over rain. So tonight I'll get a report on how much rain we have seen so far in the northwest just in the last couple days. They have been bombarded. Here's that map of freezing temperatures. Yeah, it's pretty cold out there. At least today we don't have the entire panhandle of Florida engulfed in 30s and lower. Watches, not much going on. Winter storm warning on the northern parts of Oregon, Idaho, and northwest parts of Montana. Other than that, guys, it's pretty quiet for right now. Minimum temperature is pretty cold across the northeast and the northern plain states across Colorado, Wyoming, and Utah as well. And fairly comfortable across the south and the Florida. But most of us are experiencing 40s and 30s temperatures. A wide range of mid 40s to low 50s as well here in the Midwest and parts of the South. And this is what NOAA thinks what we're going to be dealing with today. Showers and snow showers across the Northwest. That's where the winter storm warning is. Heavy snow expected actually today for parts of Washington and Oregon. Also, and I misspoke, that was Washington that had the storm warning, not Oregon. Washington with the storm warning, heavy snow expected there in Idaho and parts of northwest Montana. Then tomorrow, just that rain we were talking about. This is on Saturday, and then Sunday you see it kind of doesn't go anywhere. Heavy rain is possible for the coast of Georgia and South Carolina. Meanwhile, snow begins or continues to fall across Washington and Oregon as more rain also arrives for the West Coast over the weekend. So take a quick look at the GFS. We'll get a full look at this tonight on the 18Z, and you can see just tons of moisture out there in the West Coast. And there's that system. It's going to bring all this rain over the weekend. A lot of folks are watching this too, by the way. And this will skate across the deep south into Monday, and then by the time we get to Christmas Eve, this storm finally makes its way out. Look at that. We're pretty dry on Christmas Eve, except for parts of Southern California and also Arizona. Other than that, really dry for Christmas Eve. Some snow beginning to form in the Rockies and the four quarter states on Christmas Day. And then past Christmas Day, we have another low pressure system heading to southwest California. More rain across Washington and Idaho and snow as well. And then Oregon gets in the game by the 27th. And then we get a chance for some weather out here in the Midwest by the 28th. So believe it or not, we don't see our next major storm system trekking across the country until around the 28th of December. And GFS is indicating that at the end of the month, we're going to be just above freezing. This will be an all rain event. So whatever snow that was on the ground, possibly by this time will be melted by the end of the year. But watch out, as Monday night, more cold air starts to filter in the U.S. And this goes into New Year's Eve. Lake effect snows across the state of New York. And that lasts all the way into the new year just about. So after we get to January 1st, winter begins to get its act together. And there is a shot of snow there for the northeast here in New York. More than likely, we're looking at 3 to 5 inches tops. This is what we call an Alberta Clipper. But again, out in Washington, Oregon, more snow, more rain continues to fall as their winter right now is definitely underway. Another low pressure system forming across the Midwest on January 5th. Very odd formation here. We got snow on the north of this thing. We got, let's say west. So northwest is snow and northeast there's snow, and then there's rain right in the middle. So this is a system that we will continue to monitor as we get into the early part of 2020. Also, indications that we could see some major cold here by the 20th of January. And I do mean major, and snowfall amounts also could skyrocket at that point too. So we're keeping a look at all these long-term forecasts, see which ones come to fruition. But right now, if you were expecting a white Christmas, whatever snow you have on the ground right now is pretty much going to be there on Christmas Day here in the Northeast, unless we get temperatures well above freezing. But that's the only way we're going to see a white Christmas is the existing snow that is already on the ground. All right, guys, we'll see you tonight for sure at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Again, 9 p.m. Eastern Time with the Grand Solar Minimum full report. Guys, have a great day today, and we will talk soon. Take care.
Do you like this show? Give us a thumbs up. Want to support us more? Share to your favorite social media platform. Buy a t-shirt or become a Patreon. All links are in the description below.